Hello everyone, here I come back again with more problems on circles. I hope you are revising, right? So this is my fifth session in continuation. So let us try. First one. The first one is, let the combined equation of a pair of tangents to a circle drawn from the origin O is xy minus y square equal to 2 plus root 3 into x square minus xy. If the radius of the circle is 3 units, and the center is in first quadrant, these conditions you will have to keep in mind to proceed. Then the length OA, where A is one of the points of contact, is. And then 4 options, we have to pick up the right one. Now, combined equation actually matters of those tangents, right? What is combined equation? xy minus y square equal to 2 plus root 3 into x square minus xy. Try to rewrite terms in such a way so that you can factor, and that actually leads to x minus y into 2 plus root 3 into x minus y equal to 0. So this gives me 2 equations actually. Which 2 equations? One is x equal to y and other is 2 plus root 3 into x equal to y. So I have shown in the picture one line as y equal to x and the other line as y equal to 2 plus root 3 into x, right? So these are the tangents to the circle. Now, y equal to x is a line passing through origin, y equal to 2 plus root 3 into x, even that is a line passing through the origin. And in fact, their slopes are known to me. One slope is 1 and other slope is 2 plus root 3. So does that not tell you about the inclinations? Inclinations are 45 degree and 75 degree respectively. So basically, angle between two tangents is 30 degree, correct? So in picture, I would say angle COA, seeing the picture I'm saying, angle COA is going to be 15 degree, correct? Now use the triangle COA because finally question is regarding OA, don't forget that. So I use the triangle and then I write tan 15 degree equal to CA upon OA, and that would lead to OA. OA turns out to be 3 upon tan 15 degree. Mind you, please, at this stage, I'm sure you all know tan 15 degree. And if not, then please go and revise that chapter of trigonometry. Substitute tan 15 degree as 2 minus root 3. You can rationalize and get multiply and divide by 2 plus root 3 and get answer for OA as 3 into 2 plus root 3. And now look for the correct option. And correct option is going to be A, the first one. Okay. Let us proceed to the second one. And the second one is 3 circles of radii 2, 4 and 6. They touch each other externally at points A, B and C. Point P is the radical center. The distance of P from A is, and then we are given 4 options. And as usual, you have to pick up the correct one. 3 circles of radii 2, 4 and 6 and they touch externally. So you draw the picture. 2, 4, 6 radii touch externally and I'm showing the point P as the radical center, right? What I have done for further steps, I have joined those centers and I can see there one triangle, okay? And the question is regarding the distance of point P from A. Point A is point of contact of 2 touching circles, right? And distance of P from A is required. If I can show that in circle with dots, what I have shown there, then I understand that actually that required distance PA is nothing but in radius. If I say that in radius is R, now to get R, there could be various methods, various ways. What I do is, I use area of triangle MNQ and I write it as sum of area of 3 triangles. Which 3 triangles? PMN, 1, 2 PMQ and then PNQ, correct? So area of MNQ is 1 by 2 into 6 into 8 and then try to write those 3 area in terms of R and that is 1 by 2 into R. Inside bracket I am writing MN plus NQ plus QM. So finally values for those MN, MQ etc. are known to me. Substitute that and I get R. R finally I get as 2. And what was required? That same as R. So my correct answer is going to be, in this case, 2. So answer A, option A. So let us proceed further. The third one. And the third one is that 2 circles intersect at point A, which is given as 2, 3, and another point is given as B. The slope of their radical axis is 3 by 4. If BP and BQ are the diameters of two circles, if the equation of PQ is AX plus BY plus C equal to 0, then we have to find answer for absolute value of A plus absolute value of B plus absolute value of C. Now, four options are 10, 7, 17 and 24. The correct one we will be picking up. Understand one thing, two circles cut or intersect at 2 points A and B. So I am drawing something like this. Okay. Point A is known to me, that is 2, 3, though I have not shown that there in the picture. BP and BQ are the diameters, so I have shown them by dotted lines. Okay. Now what I observe is AB is the radical axis, 1, and next that gives me the slope of AB is 3 by 4. Why do I say so? Because AB is radical axis and radical axis slope is given to me as 3 by 4. Correct? Also, I observe that angle BAP and QAB, why I am saying it is 90 degree? Because BQ is a diameter. Similarly, BP is a diameter. So angle BAP also turns out to be 90 degree. Okay. So that tells me that AB is perpendicular to PQ. You can see that in picture. AB is perpendicular to PQ. So slope of PQ I can write now because slope of AB was known to me. So I write it as minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now slope of PQ is known to me. Question is regarding equation of PQ. From where I will be getting A, B and C. Right. So if I have to get equation of PQ, one point actually is required on the line because now slope is known to me. So now I'm just looking for one point. Now how do I get that point? I say point A lies on PQ. Why? Because actually PAQ is a straight angle, right? So now I know on PQ point A lies. Point A is given to me. Slope is already known to me. So I can write equation of PQ. So equation of PQ turns out to be 4x plus 3y minus 17 equal to 0. Correct? And equation of PQ I have found. Actually, in generally subjective questions would have ended here. Now since it is objective question, so we try to ask such questions like get one expression in terms of A and B and C. So A is 4, B is 3, C is minus 17. So I go for final answer. Absolute value of A plus absolute value of B plus absolute value of C. Answer turns out to be 24. So the correct option in this case is D. Right? So here I end my session. When we meet next time, some more problems. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Hope you have liked this video. To subscribe, click on this side. And to place an order for the book, click on this side. Thank you.